I'm installing some electronic equipment in cabinetry, and I need to provide ventilation for it. I'm using these 3-inch diameter grills in the bottom and tops of the cabinet. And what I want to do is cut down the body of the grill so that it doesn't protrude into the cabinet. So I've come up with a jig here. It's basically a board that's the same thickness as the cabinet bottom and top. And I just run that through the saw and slice down the body of the grill so that it's flush on the inside. And unfortunately, my saw cannot do it in one pass, so I run it through once, and then I rotate the grill to cut the remainder of the body off. But in the end, it works pretty good. And I'm left with a grill that's flush mounting on the inside of the cabinet, and it's exactly what I'm needing in this situation. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your projects.